Welcome, MB, Will Killer, Gain Trading Crypto. Welcome, Retail Fam. The music should be better today. The sound should be better at least, because I'm using a lot of software for that one. So welcome all. If you agree, if the music, the sound is better, push on the thumbs up for confirmation, please, right now. So good morning. What do I got over here? We got Mohammed. Mario, good morning. Willem, good morning. Mohammed, good morning. Amiro's Top Dog. Carlo, Alpiman, Tony Lopez, Ankit P. Top Dog. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream today. We gotta do a short one today. I want to give you guys some heads up about what I'm seeing on the charts and well, how you guys can protect yourselves and make the best gains. So that's what we're gonna talk about today. First of all, let me see. Guys, can you give me the thumbs up if you agree if the music sound was better at the start of the stream? Good morning, Leroy, Richard, Ernst. Good morning, Mr. G, Jan, Alazan, Abraca Daniel, Freedom. Good morning, bro. So we're gonna do a quick one, guys. A quick one. Why don't I see any thumbs up? So no thumbs up means that the music was the same. Okay, well that's very strange. That's very strange. Let me do it again. Normally you guys should see, hear the music better. I'm gonna do it again. I started the morning with the music. Okay. Well, okay. F the music. Let's get into the charts. Guys, something concerning about Bitcoin. I'm not liking this, guys. I'm not liking this. Bitcoin is not showing a lot of strength. I really don't know why, but Bitcoin is a bit. This is what shows me that Bitcoin is not showing strength. And also a lot of altcoins, by the way. You see this one, this is the USDT, the Tether dominance, and the Tether dominance is creeping above the Indy and it's holding over here. If this thing starts ramping up, it will cause more blood, guys. So let me put on my alarm over here. Because this is, it's very strange because the markets are doing just like I explained to you guys yesterday. You see over here, we had this candle. This is just, this candle is just, they're flushing out the longs. And then, up, come down, up, indicate. You see how it holds the indicator? It's really beautiful. This thing was created on this chart and, well, you guys can see why. So you see, boom, come back into the Indy, boom, and there we go. But I explained yesterday already, this is to be expected, guys. This is just to be expected. This is just going to ramp up. And I think that just like watch the stream of yesterday, you'll understand what I'm talking about now. So for now, just keep going. It's going into this box. This is the resistance line. So I think that we'll get some chop around today and tomorrow. More to the upside. But it's very strange that this thing, what is this? Let me remove all of this. It's very strange that this thing is showing not a lot of power over here. I don't know, it's looking so weak. But it's not only this one, also this one It's the same story. We're getting rejected on the Indy, on the MEXC. So if we will break out on this one also, this is not good. I don't know what's going on. I think that let's just hope. We have to assume that this one is going to get rejected and it comes back again for today and tomorrow. I think that it will break out after, but when it breaks out, expect more blood. Expect more blood. Expect that Bitcoin will go down again. It's looking so freaking weak. What is this? Going to the 65 back. I don't know, but let's just assume we're now at the bottom of the indicator. So let's just say that we're going up again over here, and maybe at some point when the US 500 makes a nice move up, we'll see some more upside for now, for today and tomorrow. So for now, it's just hold this freaking line over here. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. Team and private have some longs opened. They are running. If we will get an invalidation on this one, from which I don't expect for now, that's when those longs the SL and profits will get hit. But for now, this is just long now. Okay, before I go any further, I want to talk about something that I tweeted about in the morning also. You know, I'm getting so tired of people. It's very simple, and I do everything I do is simple, and the requirements to join the free private group are just as simple as they are. You just have to be active trading on Weex or Bluefin. That's it. There's nothing more. And you know, the team is complaining about me because they have access to my Twitter account and my TG account, and they check all the retailers that apply. And what they see is that a lot of retailers, they deposit like $50 or $100. They make some micro trade just to do as if they are trading. And then they keep DMing me on Telegram, and they keep DMing me on Twitter. I fulfill this, I fulfill that, I did this, I did that. And they even do it on my Twitter feed. Well, let me give you guys this. The team is blocking every single one that is asking for access and they didn't fulfill the requirements. We're getting so tired of these guys. Guys, it's very simple. The requirements are everywhere. It's on my Twitter, it's on my YouTube page, everywhere. If you want to join the free private, it's only for freaking active traders. So if you don't active trade or you don't own the funds to trade, just don't trade at all. Just don't do it. Because if you got like a couple of $100 and you are not, if you're not used to trade, you don't know how to trade, just don't trade. Don't. Because you will get wrecked. And listen, we are not like 99% of those influencers out there. They're trying to get retailers in, uneducated retailers. Just come, join us, fund your account, go leverage trade, and then it's a matter of an hour and they get liquidated, and then they make the exchange happy and they are happy. That's not how I work. That's just not how it works. In the free private, there are people that are trading with millions of dollars. Do you think, just imagine the responsibility that I have, how much time I have to spend on the charts so I can make these guys a lot of money and make sure that they don't get wrecked. And then you got someone with $50 trading on another exchange with his money, opening an account on Weex or Bluefin, depositing $50, or a lot of them are also those guys that have paid private groups. They try to get their way into our group so they can share the trade setups and get paid for it in other paid groups, because they know how to reach those retailers ruling the marketing machine. And that's what we try to protect. So no hard feelings. We will only get people in the free private group from which we think they are serious, and they are serious trading, and they have funded accounts, and they are really in it to make money, life-changing money, wife-changing money, no matter how you want to call it. So we're going to be even more strict. So please, to everyone, don't even try to scam us by depositing a couple of bucks and thinking that you get your way into the free private, because you don't. And we will block you. We will definitely block you. Already yesterday, there have been blocked, like 4 or 5 persons have been blocked. There was also one guy offering me a lot of money. He told me, just let me get into the free private. I'm trading on Binance and I want to trade on Binance and I'm willing to pay you like $1,000, $2,000 a month. I don't need your freaking money. Just save it to yourself. If you want to join us, this is how you can join us. Trade and blow in Weex, and if you can't, then you can't. It's just what it is. Okay, well, let's head into the markets. Today, it's all about leverage trading. So I'm going to make a trading course with, it's I think 12.0. So it's going to be about leverage trading, how to leverage it, and how to protect yourself. So I want to give you guys a little bit of a sneak preview of the trading course vid that I'm going to do today. First of all, you have to focus very good. First of all, when you're leverage trading, when you leverage trade, make sure that you don't over leverage yourself. And you think, yeah, well, blah, blah, blah. Everyone says that. Don't over leverage yourself, blah, 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 blah. No. Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. I'm not your average influencer telling you I'm the best leverage trader on the webs. And if anyone thinks otherwise, he's welcome to challenge us anytime, anywhere. As these it has to be open, so everyone has to see it. So first of all, what you do is don't over leverage yourself. What I mean by that, don't get greedy. You have to control your greed. So if you're leverage trading, don't be greedy, because when you over leverage yourself, you'll get scared. And when you're scared, that's how market makers will flush you out. That's why and how they will come. They keep getting you in and out, and you will start losing a lot of money. So you have to first analyze, and then you plan, and then you believe, and then you strike. And when you strike hard. But you have to know what you're doing. That's the only way how I managed to share, I think, the past 5 months, a 100% winning streak, because I know what I'm doing. And when you have a funded account, make sure that you have enough funds over there. So don't think, wait a minute, I'm going to put in $100 or $500 and I'm going to get rich leverage trading. That's not how it works. I know there are some famous influencers out there that they say that they made with $300 $1 million. It's a lot of crap. It's just a freaking scam. It's a scam. Don't believe that. What you don't see, don't believe what you don't see. These guys are out there to take money from you, to get you in greed. They sell you greed. They show you the millions. Those millions are all fake. If you want to make money, you need money. And you cannot make money without owning money. So it's that simple. And I'm not over here to get you guys to sell your dreams, or to be unrealistic and to tell you, well, you're going to get rich with a couple of $100. It's just not how it works. So for now, leverage trading, first of all, I gave you guys the best indicator available in the markets. And if you don't know how to write it, there is a playlist of how to trade the indicator. Just go check them. It's all available openly on YouTube. Go check them, watch them 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. I really don't give a crap. Just watch them as long as you have to. And when you manage to do it, it's that simple. Just look at this, look at this, look at this. Just look at this. What did I teach you guys? I teach you guys, as long as we're above the indicator, you have to remain bullish. So it means that when this happens, you're trading above it on the 1 hour over here. Hold, long, boom, make a lot of money. Hold, boom, make money. Over here, invalidation. Over here, you flip short. It's that simple. Look over here, this indicator, you flip short, boom, rejected. This is just easy peasy money you make leverage trading. You don't have to be a professional leverage trader. Just look at it. Rejected. Boom, you made a lot of money. You go to the 4 hour. Oh, over here's support. Over here's where I'm gonna take my profits, or maybe even flip long. It's that simple. You just have to keep doing it. If you're afraid, go paper trade. Just use the indicator and don't use real money. Go paper trade. And when you're ready, that's when you DM me your UID, MB, I'm ready. I've been making some nice trades and I'm ready to join the free private. And that's how you come and join in. So for now, the 4 hours holding, let's see if we come and retest the 63.7 again. I wanted to show you guys something else. Yes, what was it? It was this one. I tweeted about this yesterday. I told you guys, maybe over here it's time to flip over here because the dominance is ramping up. The dominance ramping up. I really hope that we can reach that 60% level. But when we, this is, by the way, guys, not for the ones that are holding cash. This is for the ones that are in crypto. There are a lot of retailers, they're holding Bitcoin. They just hold it because they hope to get rich someday. Well, in my opinion, let's just say I don't agree. I don't agree. I'm a trader. I don't give a damn about Bitcoin or whatever. Maybe the quantum will come out and Bitcoin will die at some point. Who knows? Who knows? Everything's possible. I just like to control my money and my assets. I don't like to hold. But there are a lot of retailers that hold Bitcoin. Well, if you hold Bitcoin, over here in this gray box, it's maybe time to start flipping your Bitcoin into Ethereum or other altcoins. So this is about ETH. So this gray zone over here, keep in mind that if you're a hodler and you hodl a lot of Bitcoin in this gray zone, it's time that you flip your Bitcoin into Ethereum. If it will break this line and just go down, from which I really do not expect, that's when you flip it back to Bitcoin. But as long as this zone over here will hold, I suggest that you flip your Bitcoin into ETH. No financial advice. Do as you want. It's what I would do. So that's about that. Now we're gonna do very shortly. We're gonna do some altcoins charting, some buy zones that I'm eyeing. You can share me your altcoins now, or if you got some questions. Yes, I'm gonna give you guys like 10 seconds, and then we'll head back to that one. Okay, let's start with Link. I'm getting Link over here. Link, I'm bullish on Link, guys. I think that just, especially for the ones that own Bitcoin, maybe when we reach that bottom on ETH, maybe it's time that you start also flipping some Bitcoin into Link. Because why? Link, let me see, where is my toolbar? Where's my toolbar? Over here, guys. Link, what I'm seeing is, this is what I'm seeing. Link is getting destroyed over here like many altcoins against Bitcoin. By the way, guys, I think this is how I see it. A lot of people, what they see when they see something like this is they see, well, it looks like altcoins are just dying. They're never gonna wake up again. It's the end of the altcoins, and nothing is going up again. But you know, when that feelings hits in, that's when I become bullish about altcoins, and I really love that feeling because the history has showed us that when that happens is when you make the most money. It's just what it is. So Link, it's really getting destroyed over here. And let me just put this low over here. So this box over here, we're testing it as we speak. We lost it already. So Link, everything in this box over here is for me a signal that it's time over here in this box. Is time to get some Link, flip some Bitcoin into Link, and that's on the BTC pair. Let me show you guys the USDT pair. We got filled over here in this box. I made like, what was it, 30%, or I don't know what it was before I sold it. But you know, when it comes back into the box, everything in this box, everything from between 9 and 5 is just a buy for Link for me. It's just a buy and just hodl and make some money on Link. So that's about Link, guys. And we hit, what did we hit? $8 we hit already. So we bounced back to the 1250. So this was did I make a 30%? Or did I make more on this one? On average, no, on average I made like 30%. It bounced like 60%, but I DCA buyed in from the 9 to the 8. So I made like a 30% on Link. But you know, Link is heading back. You know, I think just watch my stream of yesterday. That will give you more insights about the whys and hows. So let me see. What do we got over here? What do we got? Yesterday, someone is telling me FTM. Everyone is FTM. What is it with FTM? Why are you guys so interested in FTM? What's going on with FTM? Let me see. It's over here. Let me put it on again. FTM. What is it with this FTM? Well, FTM, yeah, for the ones that remember on the live stream, this one, when I told you wait for the gray zone because I will not be buying any FTM. Do you guys even remember all these things, all these predictions that I made? I think most of you guys will forget about them. When FTM was over here, when we made this rise up, everyone was bullish on FTM. We're going to the moon, blah, 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 blah. Over here, I was in the live stream because I do remember, and I told you guys, I will not buy FTM until it hits this gray zone. I really don't care. I don't, it will never hit the 20, 30 cents again, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it's always the same story. Always. Also on Twitter, when I share some buy zone, oh, MB, you're crazy, and Wilke, you're crazy, and then every time it's just like that influencer that tweeted about me. He told me this motherfucker just don't miss. It's just what it is. I just don't miss. It's very simple. Well, boom, I got hit over here. I also made over here. What was it? What did I make over here? Because you know, listen, this was a bounce of 100 off. I think I made like 70%. 70% or 80% because it hit my buy zone perfectly. But you know what it is? You know, when I was talking about it over here, just wait for the gray zone. When I tell you this is my buy zone, I buy. I put my money where my mouth is. I buy. The problem with retailers is they watch my live streams, but they don't buy. You know, over here, when I tell you I'm gonna buy in the gray zone, I already put in my buy orders over here when I say it. And then they get hit. I'm sleeping. I'm doing nothing. I just wake up and I find, oh, well, nice. 25 cents, 27 cents. I got filled. And then 4 or 5 days later, I check, oh, I just doubled my money. Oh, great. Why not? Take the damn money. Take the damn money. And what I do again, I put in those damn buy orders over here again. That's how you get financially independent. Patience, analyze, believing, striking, not following any FOMO guru. Oh, we're going to the moon, FTM, this, that, blah, 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 blah. Save me those stories. I'm done with those stories. And I'm trying to teach you guys how to be done also. Because I know for sure that when we made this bounce up, there were a lot of influencers on CT shilling FTM to death. And that's when retailers listen to those damn guys and start buying in over here. At the same time, when I'm telling, oh my God, watch out, be careful, don't buy now, wait when it hits over here. No, MB, you're a fudder, you don't know what you're talking about. We are filled by greed and we just gonna buy in because why? My favorite crypto guru tells me that FTM is going to the moon from here. Well, congrats. You're like 60, 70, 80% down now. Congratulations, bro. Thanks for watching my stream. It's just not how it works, guys. Please, guys, don't be exit liquidity to these guys. I'm really getting tired of these guys. I keep attacking them on Twitter. And you know, sometimes I think to myself, what am I doing? Because, you know, retailers, they just are sensitive to greed. And they don't want anyone to tell them that the price could probably go down. They just don't want to hear that. They want to hear that everything's going up to the moon. And they want their bags to get pumped, and the reality is that they are getting wrecked. That's the reality. Over here, shill, boom, wrecked. MB and his retail fam are buying in again, boom, making a double on a spot bag if you put in, because the team has, the team, I put in my spot bags. The team puts in a 20x, 30x leverage over here. Just imagine the gains they make on these candles. It's mind-blowing. Okay, well, let me go to the next one. What I'm gonna do, what am I going to do? Nvidia today, Brolaf, no, not today, tomorrow. If I'm not wrong, tomorrow. It's on Wednesday. Sonic will rebrand, so it's you know, leader of all those stories. They're gonna transit, they're gonna do this, they're gonna do that. You know, at the end of the story, just watch the freaking charts and trade what you see. And when you see resistance, you just sell. When you see support, when you see a bottom, just buy. You know, it's all these sell events, and I don't know what thoughts on Ton with all that's happening. Ton, yeah, I think that it will come down. I think it depends on what happens with this guy. Is he going to get released, yes or no? And for now, just trade the charts. And you know, I'm not interested in Ton. Ton is not my coin. I don't buy coins that are already made high. And you know, the ones that are holding Ton at the top, well, it's their own choice. I just don't buy it. Something that is having a fully diluted market cap that's double from the market cap and a coin that's at the highs, I just don't buy it. I'm not interested in it. And I really don't care about what's going on with Con. This is what I like to buy. And you know, you can disagree with me, that's fine. You know why? Because I'm not in it for the technology, and I'm not in it for the shillers, and I'm not in it for the influencers, I'm not in it for whatever. I'm in these markets to make money. I don't give a damn about Ton. Ton is over here. Ton is over here on the chart. It did like bop here. Why would I be interested in Ton? I'm interested on charts that look like this, that are over here, accumulating. And when they do this, I make a 5, 10x. Ton, if it does like this, Ton does a double. So when I buy over here, and it does just a tiny rise up, I make a 2x. Just a tiny one up, I make a 2x. Ton has to do this to make a double. So just explain to me, why would I buy Ton? Or like Kaspa, it's the same story. Why would I buy that? No matter how great the technology is, no matter what partnership they've got running. If I want to buy a coin, I buy a coin that is at the bottom. So when it makes a very small rise up, I make a 2x. Because you know why? I'm in it for the money. It's that simple. When I'm trading, I try to make money, and so should you. So don't believe all those influencers out on Twitter. You know, when I check those feeds, I want to throw up. They share, oh, wait a minute, this is going to the moon, that is going to the moon, and then they make like a list of coins that they are very hyped up about. Well, let me tell you, 99% of those guys are paid to share those coins. 99% of the times, those same coins are super overvalued. 99 times of the things they share, they have fully diluted market caps and a lot of token unlocks. Just understand that these guys are out there to make money. They get paid to share for you to create sentiment. And what happens is they create liquidity. And who is the liquidity? You are the liquidity. You are that damn liquidity. So what they do is they feed you, they hypnotize you, they feed you the greed, they make you crazy in your mind, and they will dump their bags on you. That's what happens. I've been warning you guys for years about this. At some point, it seems like it's very hard for me as a Lone Ranger to get into your minds and to show you the dangers. Well, 90% of my colleagues are doing the opposite. So I understand that retailers, they don't believe me. They don't trust me. Who the fuck is M.W.TRADINGWORLD? We don't give a damn about M.W.TRADINGWORLD. Who is this? Oh, it's that guy. He's got like 5k subscribers on YouTube. He's got like 70k subscribers on Twitter. Well, he's a nothing burger. Let me go follow that one that got paid followers 100k, 500k, 800k. He has hired a big group in Bangladesh and in India. They keep reposting, retweeting, commenting. Well, that guy is a very good one. We should follow that one. And then at the end of the story, in no time, in 2-3 weeks, oh damn, I lost all my money. How is that even possible? There are like 500k, 800k followers. How could I possibly get wrecked? It's because you're stupid, that's why. The whole thing is built to take money out of the pockets of retailers. The whole game, everything is built. The whole marketing machine is focused to make you poor. They want to take your damn money. I'm trying to teach you how to use them and how to protect your capital instead of losing it. Okay, let me go to the next one. Casper has no unlocks. It's a good coin. Yeah, it's a great coin, but it's not about it. Oh my God. I've just explained you, Angelo. You know, did you know that Casper has reached out to me? The miners of Casper have reached out to me. They're mining Casper. You know, I know more about Casper than you know. I know that for sure. These guys contact me on daily basis to show you guys Casper. But why would I look at Casper? Look at it, bro. I just explained you. Look at this. Why would I buy Casper over here? Look at this. Why would I buy Casper over here? So I can maybe if I'm lucky, I'm gonna make a double over here. Why wouldn't I buy something like this? Let me show you. Why wouldn't I buy something, just for example, why wouldn't I buy something that's over here? Do you think that Casper is so much better than LRC Loopring, for example? Do you think that? Do you hope that? Loopring only has to make a tiny move to this indicator, and I will be making much more money than you will on Casper if it doubles. If this thing does something like this, when it has to make a move like this. It's time for a cigarette because it's time for a cigarette. Time for a cigarette, guys. Time for a cigarette, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I have to cool down. I have to cool down. I have to cool myself down because sometimes, you know, it's very. Okay, let's just not say a lot more about that one. Okay, let me see. What do we got? What do you got? I'm the living proof the story that you're just telling. I've lived every story you just told, but now it's time to live. I mean, listen, bro. If you think that I'm wasting my time on this live stream just because I don't know, because I'm crazy and I just like to come here and waste my time, guys, I'm really doing my best to get into your minds. Stop being a fool. Stop being exit liquidity. Stop being a believer of any project out there. Only focus on making money and do it the right way. That's what I'm trying to teach you. Stop focusing on whatever crypto guru is telling you. He is paid to tell you what he's telling you. Not all of them, but most of them. So let me see. Ernst WLD. Not interested, bro. I don't know if you saw it, but the team made 6 figures on WLD shorting it when I gave the call. So, just saying. What is Obluda? Now we have secret break. Yes, it is. It is Obluda. Live stream is evolving. Yes. Cody. Let me show you Cody. Ah, Cody. Yes, Cody. I made a lot of money in Cody past weeks while I was traveling, by the way. Let me see, where is my Cody chart? Let me show, where is my altcoins? Cody is in my altcoins. It's one of the coins that I like a lot. Cody. Let's see Cody. Let's first of all see Cody. For the ones that don't remember, ta-dam, 0.05 star DCA. What did we hit? Boom, boom. What did we make? Boom, boom, 70%. What did we hit? The indicator. Boom, boom. What happened after it? Boom, boom, down. Guys, you know, I can show you any random chart out there and you'll be mind-blowing how easy it is to trade if you do it the right way and you use the right indicator. It's that simple. Just be patient and trade. You know, the team trades Cody a lot on leverage. They open up over here and they short it over here. They make money up and down every day, again and again and again and again. Today it's Cody, tomorrow it's Ray, and then it's Solana. It doesn't matter. Just when you know how to trade, you make money every day, again and again. So for now, Cody is very simple. It comes back, I'll be loading up again. I already did it, by the way. I sold over here 70%, it was over here, and then I sold another 20%, and I put in those damn orders again. That's why I tell you, you need money. This is my spot bags, and all my spot bags, when I take the money, I make 30, 40, 50, 60%. I put those damn buy orders in. So when it does like this, I get filled again. And then when it does like this, then I'll see if I'll jump in again or I sell again or not. So it's that simple. I cannot make it any easier than this. I don't know what to tell you more than this. So that's about Cody. Daily Dix cool down. Yeah, I'm cool down, bro. Wow. Not buying strength. Angelo, I would buy in strength, but on leverage. So just like, let me just say, like a Kaspa, when it's showing strength and it's rising, it's just like Kaspa, Solana, Ethereum, etc. That's when I buy on leverage. On leverage is when you go make those small moves. So when it makes a 5%, you make a lot of money. But if you don't like to leverage trade and you own a lot of funds, so maybe you're a shark or will. Maybe you've got a portfolio of $1 million or $5 million or 500K or whatever. That's when you could buy in the strength and just trade it. But if you don't own enough funds, so suppose that you only have got like, let's say 10K. Why would you buy Kaspa? Buy another one. A small cap like Cody, for example. Because the move will be much stronger. So you can make like 50, 70, 80%. And you not make that on a coin as Kaspa. And you know, I really don't get it why I'm even explaining this. because I already explained this like 1,000 times, but it's just what it is. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close it up. I want to thank you all for joining in. I told you guys it's gonna be a short one for today, so thank you all for watching. I'm gonna do some altcoins, some charting, some things for like 3, 4, 5 minutes while the music is running, and then I'm gonna close it up. Please, guys, for the ones that want to join the free private, the description is below. Please do not DM us when you deposit like 50 or 100 or 200 bucks and think that you can get access to the free private. It just doesn't work like that. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.